Okay, we're gonna try some of the street food here. Oo, pero yung mga kapatid ko kasi yung inuutosan kong bumibili pag ano. So parang naalala. Okay, how many of these would you like? The lumpia. Kuha ako ng 3.20 kamo. So worth 100 pesos dito. Na lumpia, and then so before we leave in a few days, we are just going to enjoy the street food here in the Philippines, huh? Okay, it's like coming here for the first time again.
I want
So worth 100 na lumpia. Yes, lumpiang gulay. Yeah, we prefer the lumpiang gulay. And ito magkano ulit to? Tigpipiso, di ba? And then yan na lahat. Kung magkano yun? So the street right here leads to Don Ramon.
Now the great.
Let's go!
Are you gonna miss the street food here?
Yeah, but I want to go.
Yes, we are. Tsaka yung sausawan, te, ah. Ginugulpi na namin yung fish balls.
Okay, guys. No.
My kids are gonna miss the street food here for sure. Te, tanungin ko yung recipe mo dyan, ha. Total, uwi naman na kami. Sorry, nagbibilang.
Kay Don Brian na.
50? Ay, kala ko may mga 100. Okay.